4 videos, 4 people, 4 products, 4 different coupon codes. I didn't edit any of them. They came out of this spreadsheet, 1 row each. Here is the n8 workflow that did it, and it is free. Grab the JSON from the repo, click row, copy the URL, go to n8n workflow, import from URL. Now you have 27 nodes, all of them core n8n nodes. Nothing to install. Run the on code as is. Go to Overview, Credentials, create credential, choose Header Auth, continue. Name it like the vid auth header, make it X API key, and go to the vid.io, create an account, and on the API keys, create an API key. Like n8n, copy the API key, and paste it here. Then save. Back to the workflow. Now you need to set the header auth to the vid auth header. You need to do it in submit and batch and validator for all of 3 of them. One more thing to edit. Go to campaign config. The template URL is what the JSON template you want to use. You can choose whatever you want, but make sure you choose the same variable names. The CSV URL data. And the CSV URL, you can submit the CSV file based on your data. Before you run anything, flip dryRun to true. It validates every single row and gives you the exact credit cost. And renders nothing, it is free. Do this first every time. Let's execute. Let's open credit estimate. Each video, it is valid and will cost 11 credits. So total is 44 for 4 videos. Go back to campaign config, flip it to false again, and then let's execute the workflow to render the 4 videos. Now for real, rows go up in batches and it pulls until every job's done. The render runs successfully. Let's open the summary. And there is every video with its URL. Video 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we take the URL, now we have our videos ready.